he just did this.
What?
Have you watched Four Lions?
No.
The guy when he goes hide your identity, you go to the shop.
But ultimately,
Have you seen this?
Essex, so
You know what I'm talking about, right? Have you not seen Four Lions?
I have seen, but I can't recall.
Or the guy goes and buys some material to make explosives, and he goes, "What are you doing? How do you face?" And he does this with his hand.
No, go on. Have his last say.
You know,
Shut
yeah.
up
Before we
move
move
on.
from that, I would just say that you say that they're gonna make a bad example of him. You said they made off money. If you look at the Saudis, they got more money than these guys from Abu Dhabi, right?
Yeah.
They got chains on their feet. Newcastle cannot spend money
You know why?
because of the rules.
Again, I don't think that you're following. Have you seen what the new director said
What did
of
he say?
Newcastle?
What did he say?
The new guy that took over, and
Did
that's
he,
why I
did,
said.
he, did he say
Ben
they can
Ashford-
spend the money?